Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of us rebuilding this 2015 Honda Pilot. This is the one where the crazy lady took a pickaxe to the hood, the fender, the door glass, and the inside dash. And so this build has kind of not turned into quite the video series I was looking for. This part 2 is going to be much shorter, and the reason for that is we got super busy at the shop, and I couldn't keep up. We had other projects going on, and then I've been on vacation for the last 10 days, and so I didn't get all the shots of this build like I wanted to, and I apologize for that. But in this 2-minute part 2 video, I will kind of explain everything that went down to fill you guys in. And I don't want to take 2 or 3 week breaks from YouTube like this again. I got to stay on it if I want to succeed. And so we got the dash in, and then we went to work on the exterior of the vehicle and got all that done. And then I had to actually bring it to the dealership twice to get keys programmed because the first time they got the keys programmed and everything worked except the locks. And unfortunately, I didn't test that before I left. So I actually had to make another appointment, and they had to cut new keys, and it cost me double there. So that was kind of unfortunate. Not the end of the world. We got it done. And then we actually ended up selling it to CJ's uncle out in Ohio. In Ohio, I'm in the middle of Minnesota, so that's like 13 hours away. And CJ left Friday of this last week, and he drove it out to them, and they were trading in a minivan. And so this was a super successful build. I'm glad that I accepted the challenge, even though it was a lot of work on the inside of the car, but it actually ended up not being quite as bad as we thought. So with this, I thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more rebuilding content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to build this channel up, and there's going to be way more cars coming in the summer here. We're way busier in the summer, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks.